put my hat on.
Yeah.
Lady Luck Casino. Black Hawk, Colorado. So, I guess their casino is just right here. We will find out. I think I need to get my ID out. Casino here. No smoking. Lady Luck.
Nice.
Yeah. I guess this is it. Lady Luck Casino. It does look small. See how it is. Yeah. Heated patio, outdoor seating. Oh, that's for the restaurant. So they make the exit look like train stations. See, trains south, trains north.
Ah.
Yeah. So this is another Caesar's Rewards property where you can come and, well, yeah, anyways. We chose to stay at Horseshoe instead of this place. I was just looking at the pictures online and it looked more appealing over there. She's on a hunt for Cashman Bingo. Do you see Cashman Bingo anywhere?
No, I don't.
Maybe they don't have it here. It's a new favorite. It's the new favorite chasing game. Cashman Bingo. Look at all the old games over here. Yeah. I see a coffee machine. Let's go try some coffee. Let's go see how it is. Let's see, what coffee do they have over here? Hello. Here we go. Trying coffee. Folgers. Folgers. Okay. Yep, Folgers taste like shit. Ugh. I don't know why I got it. Where'd she go? They have a whole automated food section over here. Check this out. So I saw this at at the Horseshoe as well. So you can get ramen here. Check this out. You can get ramen here, right? And then you can get cake as well. And then just baked. Wow, you could get pork buns, mac cheese. Look at all that. Wow, that's crazy. Wonder how much processed that is.
You do? Yeah, but the draw button doesn't work. Okay. Got 13. I'll go get her right now. All right.
I think I want to play that.
Okay.
I have to come.
I'm gonna go finish walking, okay? I'll meet you over there. Man, this casino is dead. That's just because it's so small. I don't know. Maybe because it's a weekday. It's July 3rd, right before January, or July 4th, 4th of July. I can't talk. Good game, everybody. Good game. They do not have bubble craps here. Lady Luck Casino. Black Hawk, Colorado. Go see how she's doing. She cashed out. Did you win?
No.
Oh shit. Next stop. This is Lady Luck. It's nice. Next stop is Bally's. See if we can walk out this way. Exit only. Can we? Doesn't look like there's a way to walk out this way. Oh, there is. Yeah. Where'd she go? She get stopped? She got stuck in a machine? Huh. Where'd she go? Huh? Right here. It's right here. So, here's the exit. And Bally's is right there. So check this out.
And slowly we're finding out what that building is.
Yeah, slowly. I wonder if that's a Maristar. I'm gonna look on the map after.
Okay.
So here's Bally's. Oh, look at that little thing over there. Is that a casino?
This is Bally's.
So there's Lady Luck that we just walked out of. I'm just wondering if there's another casino over there. I don't, it's probably not. So that's Bally's. I don't know what that...
Casino.
That's a casino?